We need that boost. It works. Hi, I'm Tracy. And I am a mom of 3. And if there's anyone that understands that sometimes as a mom, you just don't have time for yourself and your self-care, this video is about to change that for you because I have found the perfect thing to help you get you back. If you're a mom, then you already know finding time for yourself, like trying to find quiet in a toddler's room, impossible. Between school drop-offs, homework, meals, and everything else, self-care normally means reheating your coffee for the 3rd time. But lately, I've made a really big but small change that's been making a huge difference. And no, it's not waking up at 5 a.m. It's this. This is my THERUN treadmill, and this little thing is a beast. It's not just any treadmill. It has 12 levels of incline, so you can literally walk up hills right from your home. Absorption technology is gonna protect your joints while you do it. And honestly, this has been my little sanity spot. I needed something that would fit into my mom life, and this is easy to use, easy to move, and doesn't take up my entire living room. As you can see, this treadmill has 4.5 stars, almost perfect, and it's only $3.59. So for 40 cents a day, you're gonna have the treadmill. This treadmill checks all the boxes. %, incline, and up to 8 miles per hour. And what really surprised me is it got 12 incline levels. I thought I needed a gym membership to stay active. Realistically, I can't just leave the house for an hour, 2 hours a day, whenever I want. I work out how to fit into my life, not the other way around. This is literally my reality. I walk, they do homework. That's it, I'm done. And I jog while they watch cartoons. It works. It also has shock absorption, so it's so easy on your joints. You can feel the difference right away. It's like walking on a cushion. Another thing that I love, I can hear my thoughts when I'm on it. It's quiet. The kids can nap and I still can get a solid workout in. It's like my little moment of calm in chaos. And it's right here in my house. And girl, I take this everywhere. I'm about to wash dishes while I'm walking the treadmill. Thought I was joking. I literally do this whenever I have the time. Mom life does not stop, so we gotta do what we gotta do. This thing, although a beast, is so easy to move. I literally move it all throughout the house to get my workout in. It's that serious. If you've been putting off taking care of yourself because of time, space, or budget, seriously, this treadmill might be your answer. Affordable, easy to move, gentle on your body, and mom life approved. I didn't buy it to get a 6-pack. I bought it so I could feel like myself again, even if it's just for 20 minutes a day. I have honestly not seen a better price, better reviewed treadmill. It's the lowest price incline treadmill with the best reviews on Amazon. I don't know how many friends I have that have literally told me, look, I don't have an hour to go walk on the treadmill. I didn't either. That's why I break mine up in little increments. So I do 10 minutes in the morning after I drop my kids off at school, 10 minutes after lunch, 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there, and that adds up. Like, it just takes increments. And I've also heard if you break it up that way, it actually is so amazing for your energy, because if you do 10 minutes of exercise throughout the day, you're getting that little boost multiple times. We need that boost. As a mom, I need that boost. As a mom, I'm sure you need that boost, and that's a win-win situation. So I'll link it below so you can check it out. But I'm telling you, this is the best purchase I've made for myself, hands down.